Hey, so pretty much South Carolina State Trooper pulled up and said, "Don't fuck the place up." That's pretty much what he said, and so that's so as long as we chill, we good.
Bro, we lit.
Yes, sir. Just like that. Dang. Just like that. Yes, sir. Y'all see the scene out here, man. I see the scene. It's still rolling up. Still rolling up big. See everybody out here. You see everybody out here, man. Let's go and get the video started, man. Y'all welcome back to the video. Welcome back to the channel, man. You know, when we all get together, y'all know something big's about to happen. So we got the whole date meet going on today. A little bit of change in location, but we still gonna have a fun day, man. My guy Dre Effect right here.
What's good? You already know what it is, man. Dre Effect, Lane Hall, you already know how we do, man. Let's get it, man.
Yes, sir.
My boy Channel, Scott, everybody else channel.
Yeah, y'all make sure, hey man, if y'all watching the video, make sure y'all hit the notification bell, subscription, all that type of stuff. All my guys stuff up, man, for real, man. Going up all 2022, you already know how we doing it.
Hey, family shit over here.
Oh, all day.
You feel me?
All day.
Look at Saint Channel over there, act like he doing shit. Tall as fuck, too.
So y'all see the lineup, man. Y'all see the lineup. You see how we doing it. You see how we doing it. What's good with you, bro?
How you?
You straight, man. You see. Wild body. Tour red wild body. Tour red wild body, man. They got Scott right here. I don't know. It's clean. What's good with you, man? It's clean right here with the wheels on it. So
That's that 5.7, they better watch out.
Hey, I got a 5.7 too. You already know, man.
Yes, sir.
You already know. Might be a cat. I said scat. There might be a cat right there.
Yeah. What's up, bro?
What's good with you, man? Check out more of the lineup, man.
I be chilling though, bro.
Wayne Hogs out here deep. This is just a pre-meet. We ain't made to the actual meet yet, man. Ain't made to the actual meet yet. SRT Jeep. It's good with you, good. See how that is right there. What's up with y'all, man? All right. Story Gray RT. Little scat. Keep walking here, man. Another scat. You see me cleaned up. Shout out to Destination Detail, getting me right here. Got me all cleaned up. See Daytona. Two yellow Daytonas right there. Two yellow Daytonas right there. Got John Boy. F.A. Green. My boy Park pulling up. Clean wild body right here. My guy Garrett. Let's see, I pulling up. Dre Effect. Y'all make sure y'all lock into him. Y'all make sure y'all lock into him. That's satin black. Elgato. He out here too. I ain't gonna show the front bumper, my bad. It wasn't his fault, I'm gonna say that much. He out here too. You know how we do it, man. It's gonna be a good day, man. This is just a pre-meet. This scoop pulling up. Yes, sir. So we're gonna have a good day today, man. It's gonna be a real good day, real fun day. So I'll pick y'all up with some action happening, man. So got more people pulling up, man. So I'm telling y'all, tour red. I'm just telling y'all, tour red, man. Tour red, man. Stay right, pull up. What's good with you, man? Man, y'all see the South Carolina crew came up deep. Came up deep right here, bro. Another wide body. Hellcat. Hellcat on them right there. Bad Chief out here, y'all see it. Hey, that thing chopped. Cool wheels, bro. Y'all see that flake in that? Y'all see that flake? Chop. Chop back. What's good? We are out here deep. Where it's got 392, my bro. Showed y'all this route before. I gotta see it again. If y'all haven't seen it the first time, y'all see it. Ford's carbon, F8 green. Yes, sir. Y'all see it. It's just a pre-meet. This ain't even the car show. We legit can have this the car show right here. This could be the car show right here, really. Legit could be the car show. All of that. We got all of that. Got all of that right there, man. And we got security.
Oh yeah,
Security.
See who it is. Yeah, right.
That's who it is. Security.
See who it is. Excuse me, you guys.
She asking questions. Security rolled up. Just too many of y'all in one place. And it don't help that somebody just did a burnout leaving out. So yeah.
We might get some pictures because y'all niggas.
Yeah. So we probably about to be getting up out of here expeditiously. Expeditiously. Time to go to the spot now, man. So time to go to the spot. I will pick y'all up when we get there. So stay tuned. We here. We at the spot now. We at the spot. Let me say I was showing up, man. Sorry I was showing up. TRX. See TRX. Hellcat. Hellcat. Y'all know Mustang's gonna act up. Y'all know the Mustang gonna be. Let's see what he gonna do. Yes, sir. I'll risk my life. Give me. Yo, what you got, bro?
Subscribe to YB Mafia. We ain't Mopar, but hey, we got that shit, bro.
Hey, yes, sir. Y'all check them out, man. Y'all make sure y'all lock in and check them out for real, though.
We lit.
So. No, sir. All right. All right, so pretty much South Carolina State Trooper pulled up and said, don't fuck the place up. That's pretty much what he said. And so long as we chill, we good. We can be here. We can be here for long as we want. Long as we chill. That's all we gotta do. Just chill. We straight. Long as we chill. The key word is telling everybody to chill. That's gonna be the thing. Oh, he already. Yeah, he was already wilding. I just Mustang was turning up earlier. Let's see what he got in here. What he got? I got one of those in my truck too. Yeah, I got one in mine too. Thing loud, man. Let's see what he got in front of the hood here. Let's see.
that thing in there.
Oh, I can see it.
Exactly. Well, I'm talking about.
Can't mess with him right here. Y'all know y'all cars. Y'all already know what that is right there. I already know what that is.
Oh, we lit up in this motherfucker.
Take your bay out.
I just said the only thing I hate about this.
They got coyote on the side there. Cop said chill. You know somebody. Kick it off now. Somebody else gonna go out there watch. So y'all look at this 392. Anything look weird on it? What y'all see on there? Stock 392, right? If I told y'all this had 700 wheel, y'all think I'm lying? I'm gonna tell y'all something. See this intake? See that? That ain't stock. It go all the way down there.
Okay.
392.
Make it in the morning, or you can
Twin turbos. I don't know if y'all can see the twin turbos, but let's see. Let's see if we get under there. I don't know if y'all can see that, but they're under there. Let's see what we got.
That motherfucker in, bro.
Ram TRX.
God damn.
Let's check that out, man. See the supercharger? I don't know if y'all can tell, but all three of these cars are his. Same wrap on them. All three of his right there. Take a look around anything, man. TRX. Legit real TRX, man. But that's not all. You can sit right here. You see all the superchargers sitting right there, man. Y'all see that? Then you come over here. It's got the Durango.
Okay. I know what
Hellcat.
you already know.
Same wrap on.
That shit bright red. And there's about 12, 13.
And of course, everybody's Hellcat. Redeye. See the color. Man, killing it. Let's walk around and check out some of the lineup here, man. Some of the people that pulled up. The clean indigo blue right there. That's got camo. Now this right here, bad Durango. Let's see, bad Durango. Got another Durango right here with red and black. Got a shaker, 392 shaker on deck. Now I'm gonna show you how you got. Now you see someone pull up with these bad boys right here. They mean business. They mean business. 345 mic in the building. That's something you don't see all the time right here. SS. So you got another wide body right here. Other scat. Red and black. Definitely my favorite color here. Yeah, I seen this one before on my channel, man.
Yeah. Oh, for real? Yeah, for real.
Wide body, self-block green.
That's tough, man.
Make sure y'all notice.
Appreciate it, brother.
Y'all know what you're looking at. You know what you're looking at right there. Thing will move.
Car nasty.
See the trunk setup on it too. See that detail, amps. Man, Dodge, if y'all watching, bring this color back, man. Oh, yeah. I didn't notice this.
Right, that's what I said too.
Look at this on the diffuser.
That's what I said.
All right, so I had to get away from the music, man. So we got a lot of copyright. So if y'all want to see a lot of me talking on this one, it's because we got music everywhere, man. So, but y'all enjoy the cars, man. We've had a pretty good turnout, man. Really good turnout. Y'all see everything here. There's cars over there. We got some cars over there for real, man. So, really good turnout. I don't know what's about to happen, so we got these cars lined up over here. though. He got a little sideways. I got a little scared. I ain't gonna lie. When it comes to driving, I got my money on this guy right here. I got money on that guy when it comes to driving.
Best slider we got. Now y'all get
And just like that. Just like that. Just like that. Dang. Just like that.
Go the fuck out.
And just like that. Chill. Just like that. Alright. And just like that, it's over. We out. We are out. We are out. We are out. We are out. Everybody out. Everybody out, bro. Everybody out. Everybody out. Everybody out. Everybody out. Oh. Woo. I don't know if y'all can see, but I'm gonna wrap up this video, man. So you little change of locations, it was a chill meet, then it didn't get chill. You know how that goes, man, when you get a bunch of people together. One person started off, and that'll be the end of that, man. I want to thank everybody for tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the video, man. We're gonna catch y'all on the next one. We are out. Cut it.